Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video we are going to talk about the instructional media on the administrative side. So we're going to go ahead and log in on the admin page. I'm going to take you to Pages and to Classroom Dashboard. The first thing you want to do is you want to add the widget for the instructional media to the parent, the child, and the instructor dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the right hand side here and we're going to add a widget, and we're going to choose Class Media, and so we'll give it that title as Instructional Media. Now when you create widgets, you can rearrange them in a row. You just can't arrange them from row to row. So we're going to go ahead and move this over beyond assignments, and I've already gone ahead and added a widget for instructional media to the child's and to the instructor's dashboard. Another thing while you're here is that while you're working on the widget pages, the changes will be applied as you work, so you don't have to hit a save button. The other option that you have here is to make the Classroom Dashboard the default landing page for your instructors when they log into their private site. So you can say yes for instructor, the child, and the parent dashboard also has that feature for you to choose. So let's go over to the member side. I'm going to take you to the Classroom Dashboard, and I'm going to first take you to the instructor's view. So as an instructor, they now have the opportunity to place instructional media on their class home page. So let's go ahead into this class here, Adventures in Reading, and we're going to scroll down a bit. So here we can see this instructor has given a Zoom class that they have scheduled for the future, and they also have a class here that they've done in the past, and now it's an archived video that the students can go back and watch over and over again. We created this feature not to replace resources at the top of the page on the class home page or the resources that may be attached to an assignment, but we've created this area to help the teacher to be organized, to help the students be able to find things very easily in regard to doing an online class if for any reason the class cannot meet in person. So if the students are all home and they want to host a class, it could also be used for a teacher who may want to have open office hours. So maybe they want to let their students know on Tuesdays from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. I will be online. If you need help, please meet me in a Zoom class and we'll have our discussions of Q&A. So this is a great opportunity for the teachers to go ahead and post these kind of things. We will not be providing the URL. You'll get that from your outside source, whether you're using GoToMeeting or Zoom or Google Classroom, whatever you're using, you'll bring those URLs in. So there's also another video that you can watch from the instructor's viewpoint, and it can show you how to create these instructional medias. One of the features that we do want to show you is that we've added this add to calendar. So whether the instructor is using this page, or if it's a parent, or maybe it's a student, they can see the classes coming up. They can click on this add to calendar icon and they can add it to their personal calendar to remind them that this online class that's live is coming up. Now from the teacher's viewpoint, when they create an instructional media, I'll just take you to one that's already created. Okay, you'll notice as an instructor I'm also logged in as an admin, so I can't make any changes here. I can view it, but if I were to log out of the admin side, that warning will disappear when I refresh the page, and now you'll see an update media button. So here's where they'll put the name of the class, they'll put the URL live feed for the upcoming online class. Once they're done and they record it, they could put the URL for the archive version, whether they have it in Zoom or they put it in their Dropbox. It's a big file, so you would have to put it in a Dropbox, or whatever program you're using might offer that for you. You can put the date in for the class that's being hosted in the future with a time. They can hide it from their students with a description. They can hide it till they're ready, and then they would just update it, or if they were creating a new one. The teacher does have the ability to delete the media when they choose to, or they could just go into it and hide it again. If you have any further questions, please contact us through your administrative site.